If you want to buy the pluggable USB-C triple display docking station, please visit the link provided in the description. A good docking station can turn a laptop into a complete desktop-style workstation, and this pluggable model is designed specifically for users who need more displays and more connectivity without filling their desk with cables. The biggest feature is support for 3 HDMI displays. One HDMI port can deliver up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, while the other two support 1080p at 60 Hz. For productivity, that's a useful combination. You can keep your main application on one monitor, communication tools on another, and documents, browsers, or reference material on the third. That extra screen space can be especially useful for multitasking. Whether you're working with spreadsheets, managing multiple browser windows, editing content, attending meetings, or researching information, 3 displays let you see more without constantly switching between applications. Power delivery is another major advantage. The dock supports up to 100W USB-C power delivery. With a compatible laptop and charger, one USB-C connection can handle charging while also connecting your displays and accessories. It makes the process of connecting your laptop to a workstation much simpler. For peripherals, you get 6 USB ports with speeds of up to 5 gigabits per second. That gives you plenty of connections for a keyboard, mouse, external storage, webcam, flash drive, card reader, or other USB devices. Compatibility is also broad. The docking station is designed for Windows, Mac OS, and Chrome OS systems. However, your actual monitor configuration can vary depending on your computer's hardware, USB-C capabilities, operating system, graphics support, and drivers. It's a good idea to verify your laptop specifications before setting everything up. There is one important limitation. The 4K HDMI output is limited to 30 Hz, while the two 1080p outputs can reach 60 Hz. So this dock is primarily designed for productivity rather than high refresh rate gaming. For office work, remote work, content creation, research, programming, and general multitasking, the combination of 3 displays, 100W charging, and multiple USB ports makes this a versatile workstation solution. The biggest convenience is having one central connection for your laptop. Plug in the USB-C cable, and your displays, accessories, and charging can all be connected through the dock. Overall, the pluggable USB-C triple display docking station is aimed at people who want to expand their laptop into a flexible multi-monitor setup. It offers plenty of connectivity and useful productivity features while keeping the workspace more organized. If you want to check out the pluggable USB-C triple display docking station, visit the link provided in the description.